Here's a second video. I want to show you guys how to find the equation of the line that goes through 2 points. Okay, so there's two ways to do it. One is to write it in what's called slope-intercept form, and the other one is point-slope form. This one seems to be way more popular amongst geometry students. Just so you know, this is one that if you're given a choice, seems like most geometry students tend to use. Okay, in both of them, I need to figure out what m is. So I'm going to calculate m over here, and I'm going to do it by using the formula x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 is 2 minus y1 is a negative 1. x2 is 2 minus x1 is a negative 4. Add those together. I end up getting 3 over 6, which reduces to 1 over 2. Okay, so my slope is going to be 1 over 2. Now here's what I do. I take this, y equal mx plus b. I substitute in what I know, y equals 1/2 x plus b. And now my job is to figure out b, because when you write a linear relationship, it's a relationship between x and y. Okay, so how do I figure out what b is? Well, if you go back to the top, you're given 2 points, x's and y's. I'm going to use this one because it's a little simpler. There's no negatives in there, and they're both the same. So I'm going to use 2 for x and 2 for y and substitute into this equation. Okay, so 2 is equal, half of 2 is 1, plus b, minus 1. I get b is equal to 1. So my final answer is y equals 1/2 x plus 1 in slope-intercept form. And I can graph that like I've shown you in previous videos. Okay, using this one, all you do is you just pick a point. I'm going to pick this one, and you plug it in. So y minus y1. I know this is labeled x2, y2, but now this is a different x1, y1. You could use this one if you want. It doesn't matter. Just pick one. I'm going to use this one. So y minus 2 equals 1/2 x minus x1, which is 2. And there is the answer in point-slope form. Now you're saying, why would people favor this one over this one that requires so little work? Well, it depends on what the question is asking you to do. If it just wants an equation, this is fine. If they want you to put the answer in slope-intercept form, this is what you need to do. Now watch, you can take this one and put it in slope-intercept form. I'm going to do that. Y minus 2 equals, I need to distribute the 1/2. 1/2 of negative 2 is a negative 1. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1, which is the same answer, hope you can see it, that we got down below. Okay, real quick, here's the graph. This is how I would graph it. My y-intercept is 1. I'm going to rise 1 and run 2. And then draw the line that goes through those 2 points. You could also just plot those 2 points that they gave you originally and graph it that way. Okay, hope that helps. This might be a video that you watch a couple of times. And again, this is the most popular amongst geometry students.